Hopelynn. Yes, baby.
Who are we?
Kangaroos!
Yep. Who's your friend?
Horsey!
Yep. Can you pet him? Call him over.
Come here, Horsey.
Say, oh my gosh. And the cows are laying under the tree, just checking it out.
Come here. Baby pet.
Here we go. Hey, baby. Come on. Come on. Hey, baby. Come on.
But I want my horse.
I know. Well, I'm trying to get him to come over so you can pet him. Come here. Come here, baby. Come on. All right. Well, they'll come back, okay? As the cows just sit and watch. Okay, Hopelynn, look at that strawberry. Wow, can you get that one out? Easy. There you go. Let me see it. Let me see your strawberry. Wow, look at your strawberry. Put your hand out. Let me put it in your hand. Look how big that strawberry is. And there she goes. Is it good? Do you like it? Look at me. Do you like it? It's just the barn door. Look at me. Mmm, yummy. Got another one.
Can I pick it?
Yep. Hold on. There you go. Now we're two-fisting strawberries. Yummy. Look at me. Mmm. Good?
Look, a ladybug.
A ladybug, yeah. We have a ladybug. Oh, isn't that a beautiful ladybug?
That's a really beautiful ladybug.
Yeah. Here we go. All right, I'll take that. We'll give it to the worms. Or not. Thank you. Keep eating. One down. One to go. That's why we... don't pick that one. That one's not ready. Don't pick that one. It's not... Well... These are tiny. Here, wait a minute. Is there another one in here? Can I see it? Oh, there's two in here.
Two? Can I pick one?
Yep.
Can I pick it?
Yep, go ahead. Pull. Good job. And here's another one. All right, got two more. She's definitely munching through these. Let's look in this pot. Oh, we got one there. We can pull. I'll pull this one for you. We got more blooming in here. Hey, don't drop them in there. When you're done, here, you can have that one. Want that one? Go ahead. And you give the tops to the worms. That one's not ready yet. We got some that aren't ready. Yeah. Oh man, you really went for that one. All right. Well, I'm gonna let you pick this one right here. Go ahead and pick this little one, 'cause it's right. There you go. Eat away.
Gals.
Garden Gals. That's right. And how do we end it? Like,
subscribe, and notification bell.
Yep. Love you.
Love you. Gonna see you next video.
See you on the next video.